to revise straight line. So I am going to revise the straight line. Okay. Say this one is suppose that x-axis and this is x-axis and this is y-axis. X-axis and y-axis. Now you know what is the equation of x-axis? Who will tell me what is the equation of x-axis? Anyone? Anyone? What is the equation of x-axis? Y equals 0. Good. Y equals 0 is the equation of x-axis because y coordinate on the x-axis is 0. So here is, if I ask the equation of x-axis, then you will write y equals 0. The next one is, if someone asks what is the equation of y-axis. Now you know, on the y-axis, x coordinate is 0. So the x is 0 here. So you may write the equation of y-axis, y-axis x equal 0. Here is the starting of equation of a straight line, and the first point I am telling you what is the equation of x-axis and what is the equation of y-axis. Now come to the next point. Here there are 2 points. Suppose that A and B, and there is a line segment joining the points A and B. Suppose the coordinate of A is x1, y1. Suppose this one is x1, y1 and the coordinate of B is x2, y2. Then you know the distance formula AB equal under root x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. This is the equation, this is the distance between two given points whose coordinate are x1, y1 and x2, y2. Section formula. Section formula. Here there are two section formula. One is internal and second one is external. If you are about internal, then here take there are 2 points consider. A is x1, y1 and B is the coordinate x2, y2. x1, y1 and x2, y2, and suppose that E is a point having coordinate xy which divides the line segment, given line segment in the internally in the ratio m1 ratio m2. ठीक है? Means what is given here? AP upon EB equal m1 upon m2. AP upon PB is given m1 upon m2. It is given AB upon PB equal M1 upon M2. Now what is the coordinate of PXY? If PXY divides the given line segment AB in the ratio M1 ratio M2. Here it is given AP upon PB equal M1 upon M2. Now the coordinate of P is XY. So we can find the coordinate of P which divides the given line segment AB in the ratio M1 M2 internally is given by M1 X2 plus M2 X1 upon M1 plus M2 and Y coordinate M1 Y2 plus M2 Y1 upon M1 plus M2. This is the coordinate Pxy M1 X2 plus M2 X1 upon M1 plus M2 M1 Y2 plus M2 Y1 upon M1 plus M2. Now the slope, if this one is the internal formula and if the point P externally divides the line segment joining AB, then Pxy will be, there is just only sign here M1 X2 minus M2 X1 upon M1 minus, change plus to minus, that will be M1 X2 minus M2 X1 upon M1 minus M2, and the second one is M1 Y2 minus M2 Y1 upon M1 minus. These are the coordinates and P X Y which is external. The next one is slope of the line. Slope of the line. How can you find the slope of line? If there are two coordinates, the coordinate of E is x1, y1 and the coordinate of B is x2, y2. And you are going to find the slope of the line segment AB joining the points A and B. Then, what is the slope of the line? Slope of the line of AB equal y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. This is the slope of the given line. Similarly, if there are two lines are given and both lines will be perpendicular if M1 multiply M2 equal minus 1. This is the case of perpendicular. And the second case, if the M1 equal M2, then the both lines are parallel. The next one is angle between two given lines. Two given lines. If there are two lines given, then how can you find the angle between the given lines? So, tan theta equal M1 minus M2 upon 1 plus M1 M2. This is from this formula you can find the angle between the given lines. Here M1 and M2 are the slope of the given lines are, you may say theta equal tan inverse M1 minus M2 upon 1 plus M1 M2. These are the angles. This is the angle between the given lines, two given lines having slopes M1 and M2. Now, what type of question will come in your examination? Suppose that the question is given, find the ratio joining the 2 points. ऐसे अगर आपसे कहता है कि find the ratio of the line segment joining the points 2, 3, 5, 8 by the points 1, 0. ठीक है, अगर आपसे क्वेश्चन करता है कि फाइंड द रेशियो which divides the points P1, 0, the given line segment joining the point 2, 3, 5, 8 internally. Then you may see here what is asking. It is asking the M1 and M2. It is question. The question is find the ratio in which the P divides the line segment AB. ठीक है, whose coordinate is 1, 0. P का coordinate 0 है. Then here you may see the coordinate of the point P. Y coordinate of the point P is 0. So it will be easy for you if you are taking 0. That is Y coordinate. And you know the Y coordinate is what? For Y coordinate is M1 Y2 plus M2 Y1 upon M1 plus M2. And why I am taking Y coordinate? Because it will be easy for calculation because already given here Y is 0. The ratio M1 upon M2 can also be determined by taking the X coordinate. Here X coordinate is given 1. Okay, just for so just put the value Y equal 0 here. M1 is not given, so take M1 as it is. Y2, the coordinate of Y2 is what? 8. So this one is 8 plus M2 multiply Y1. Y1 is 3. So this is 3 upon M1 plus M2. Clear? Now do the cross multiply here. So this one will be M1 into 8 plus M2 into 3 equal 0 because M1 plus M2 equal 0. Just take a student, this is minus 3. Okay? इसको आप minus कर दो minus 3. So M1 into Y, this is minus 3. And suppose that this one is 3. So M1 into 8 plus M2 into minus 3 equals 0. So this one will be 8M1 minus 3M2 equal 0. Transpose minus 3M2 to the right side. You will get here 8M1 equal 3M2. 8M1 equal 3M2. Now just divide M1 upon M2 equal 3 upon 8. This is the ratio M1 ratio M2 equal 3 ratio 8. And this is your answer. First is asking what is the ratio in which the point P10 divides the line segment joining the points 2, minus 3, P, 5, 8 internally. So this one will be answer, that is the ratio 3, 8.